Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
Good evening. What up? Just getting a few things set up here. Let's see here. How's everybody doing this evening? How's everybody? All right. Let's take a look over here at gold. Any levels that we like? I mean, I still like this lower level from the other night. I don't see anything beyond that to the downside. That level's good. I mean, this one here, it's tricky because, like, technically this level has not been tested, but it's a little scary. What up, Mo? And then I guess you could try here. Again, not really in love with that one. So I'll probably give a try here and then a try here. I might take 2 of the sets on this level. We'll see. Can't get up. All right, let me separate these charts. My other chart go here. What up, Michelle? Tony Gold in the house. So we'll see what's up. All right. Let's see what we got. So I got my copier set up. I'm going to move this stuff I got this chart set up here. So we'll put the orders on as needed here. I'm going to use this chart to watch because it's easier for me to see the levels on this chart. As far as Nasdaq goes, I don't know. What up, John, Chris? I mean, Nasdaq, I still kind of a tricky spot here on Nasdaq. Like, you know, I like maybe the push through 390 here. So if we kind of open up, say we open here, then I expect kind of a quick run down into the 390. So we may take a stab on that if we get it. We shall see. Got the Mancini newsletter posted if anybody's interested in checking that out. And I didn't even read it yet, but I'm sure he said something to the effect of we need some sort of pullback, some sort of elevator down. Bulls remain fully in control. All last week, ES built a big range, 7180 to 7085. Friday, we broke it out, and now there's nothing to do but hold runner until the next elevator down sell. Today, 7180 became support. We then built another consolidation today, as stated above. This range is a tight base. My general lean is always to defer to the trend. Ideally, we can fill out 7175 to 7180, then resume up to the next target slate being 7213, 7221, 7244. As always, no crystal balls, no guessing, no predicting. Blah, blah, blah. Bear case does not begin until we get below 7147. We're already at 7205 at the close. So, yeah, that's a thing. So there you go. I don't know what I want to do here. I'm kind of a little bit sick of listening to music. I might put a movie on or something. Might just put a movie on here. Kind of have a little something in the background. What up, Marco? Movies. There we go. What do we want to watch? Haven't seen that in a while, huh? We'll throw something on here. We've got about 4 minutes till open. Maybe we just go with this classic movie here. A little bit of a classic. What up, Andy? A little bit of a classic. Coach Fred. What up, Eric? This is not even the movie. I thought that was the movie. What up, Rock Ocean? Okay. So we'll see kind of what happens here at open. That's what we'll do. It's the way we'll play it. All right, I gotta put the movie somewhere. Templates available for the Demaster. Let's go. Appreciate you. All right. We're ready to go. I need 3 trades on gold, 1 point each. How hard can it be? What up, happy kids? How hard can it be? An aggressive entry on gold would be like if we open up, we push up, and then we kind of pull back and test this area. That would be very aggressive. I don't love it. So go GC long. What kind of stop am I using on the 1 point? 15 points, John. Still the same. Still the same. 400 to 1K on M&Q fully automated. All right, we got about a minute and a half here, guys. We'll see. QQQ and gold were sideways for the past hour. Could be Constantine. Oh my God, this movie is so funny, guys. I'm watching American Pie. I haven't seen this movie in forever. His dad just caught him wanking off into a tube sock. Safer than a tube sock. All right. Let's see. Let's see. All right. We'll see what happens here, guys. I'm looking for the 1 point trades. I mean, that's kind of what we're going for. This one time in band camp. That's right. $94.6. I don't even know which one of these. I might take the 94.6. It did kind of exactly what I thought it was going to do there. That's kind of a scary level. I don't know, guys. $85.8. All right, let's see what happens here. $425.75 is the open. All right. Uh, 74.8 on that lower ledge. Oh shoot, I don't want to do it on the same one. Wanted it? All right. Got the order down there. Get the order here. Okay. I'm going to try for 1 point off that 94.6 level. It's kind of scary. It's kind of scary, but we'll see what happens. All right. Yeah, I will return Grandmaster after you take 1,000 trades. Oh, really? Retune. What up, son of Wall Street? Just kind of blasted up right there at open, gold did. Point 6. Something like that. The price is free. That's right. That is a great price. Little spike up here. Let's see if we get a bounce off that 94.6 level. Oh, I just realized I don't even have a stop on this. I guess it doesn't matter. I guess it doesn't matter. If we get the pull 301, if we get the pull back into on this 301 account, I'll take that off. That's got it's got the Tradeify accounts on it and the 150K funded account. If I had any stones, I'd just hit the buy button. Let this thing go. Silver just ripped up too. What up, man, Moxie? Can't lose if you don't have a stop. I mean, it can't hit your stop. This thing's gonna run. I know it's gonna run. I just don't want to be. I don't want to be too aggressive by just pressing the button. I know it. Anyway. It'd probably work. Burned one, half past one. Eh. what are you going to do, you know? Kurt in the house. Look at Nasdaq just squeeze out of there, guys. Right back to the highs. Ah. Let's just wait for it. Let's be patient. You're going short at 4706.9. What do you see at 06.9? I'm just curious. I don't see what you see, bro. Pushing through the high here on gold. Nasdaq's ripping. Didn't even get back to the midnight open from last night. I mean, maybe 47.11. You could maybe, I don't know. $200 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Eval trade, yeah. I mean, it's fine. I probably like for a short, a little bit higher up. I don't even. The first one I actually even like is kind of up here at 26. Who ripped Futes? What's that mean? Oh, they held that all day? Yeah. Going BV fast? Yeah. Yeah. Regurgitation. Guys, it's just grinding higher here. It's not doing much. I don't know. The bad of a prop firm don't allow a whole trade. Which one, Ecoleak? What are you talking about? Close at New York. Who is that? I don't know. I might try short up there at 47.26, 47.32. Otherwise, I'm going to be kind of looking for the pullback. MQ going to tank? Doesn't look like it. I mean, holding trend line here, breaking back out. If it pulls back 5 points here, you're not going to take it. Where were you shorting at? 60. What did you say? 4706.9. I don't know. What up, MSG? ES made another all-time high. I don't know. Let's see if we get a pullback. It hit 4706.5. Yeah. Hey, we got a Maxi sighting. Come here, Maxi. Come here. All right. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got a Maxi sighting. All right. Hello. Hello. My name is Maxi. I am the Wolf Wolf. Hello. Hello. I will give you guys one good look. There's my wiener. What up, Sergio? This is my doggy. Yeah. He said, "All right, I'll chill right here as long as you pet me. You give me the chest pets and I'll lay right here. But as soon as I stop rubbing his chest, he's gone. Go long, Max." All right. Okay. You sit up. Hello. I am trading. Hold on. Let me make decision. Should I go long? Should I wait for pullback? I wait for pullback. Then I shall go long. I wait for pullback. All right. I tortured him enough. I tortured him enough. Kind of annoying. Just went up at the open. I got to just start pressing the button. Just long. Just go long. Finally getting a little pullback here on gold. I got an order sitting there at 94.6. I don't love that level, but I'll take it. uh, there's no sweep. There's nothing really to do here. Husk is not taking it. We're not doing anything. Gold's just pushing up. Nasdaq's just pushing up. Not really up all that much. We just need like an 8-point pullback here and a little bounce. Feel like you missed it. These people are so evil. Smart money. I don't know what that is. What's the smart money? I'm the dumb money. Well, so far it's been 20 minutes of just sitting here staring at the chart for no reason. I am waiting. Anybody in a position? Anybody take the long on EQ? Let's watch the no drugs, day 26 and a half. Guys, let's watch this part together.
Forgot. I bought some magazines. Do you want to just flip to the center section? Well, this is the female form, and they have focused on the breasts, which are used primarily to feed young infants, and also in foreplay. Right.
Oh my goodness. This movie is so funny. Just closed it 20 times during the regular market hours. Yeah, for sure, Manny Matt. This movie is hilarious. I actually watched this movie for the first time over at Husk House. Do we short here? I don't think so. If anything, I'd be looking for a pullback to long. Trying to be patient here, guys. Looking for a little gold trade, but it is making it difficult. Earl, I don't know what Earl's got going on. I don't have it pulled up. Let's just say your older brother convinced my mom to rent it for us. Oh, she made us return it. I think I was like probably 18 or 20. I don't even know. Pretty young, like maybe 19 or 20 when this came out. It was hilarious. Husk watched it first and then called me. He said, "Yo, I got this movie." I said, "All right, let me check it out." If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. So funny that gold and MNQ kind of look the same here, at least since open. Might want to might want to wait for it to pull back to the EMA. A lot of time left on this candle here on the 5-minute chart. I mean, like in an ideal world, this candle here will make a new high, and then maybe we could take a pullback, a little bounce. We'll see. I'll bring this up to here. An aggressive entry higher if it closes up in here, I'll do it. I'll take it up there. A little scary, but what's the worst that can happen? Blow some accounts. 4702.8. All right, let's see. We got a minute and 8 seconds, or 38 seconds left on this candle. Let's see how it closes. All right. That's a decent candle there. It'd be nice if it makes a new high. It could come back and tag me in first. I don't mind it, but making a new high is not going to be a bad thing. There's Max. He's giving us a back. I don't know what that means. Oh my goodness. All right, 15 seconds here. It looks like it's going to make a new ledge up here. He's saying something. I don't quite know what it is. All right, I moved my entry up here to 2.8. Do we trade Bulenox? Yeah, of course. We like a Bulenox. I'm going to stab a little long here on the NQ. Just look for a little quick scalp. I don't know, S-dubs. Just moving up. You play it as you can. You don't score until you score. I was thinking back above 500, it would just kind of spike. Feels like they want to keep squeezing out the shorts. Probably S-dub. That's about what it basically does. Squeeze it. Lessafor, how's it going? Kind of buying the top here. You're long 27,452. Nice. Great long. Great entry. What is the buffer for 50K? And can you request a payout once you hit the buffer? You got to trade 10 days, 7 money bags, and you got to get to $3,600. $3,600, 10 trading days. And one of the things you want to be aware of with Buell and Ox, 20% of your biggest day, if it's not at least 20% profit of your biggest trading day, then they'll count it as a flip day. Example, let's say you make $1,000 on one trade day. Well, then in order for it not to be considered a flip day, your lowest day needs to be $200. What up, Sean? So that's the idea. That's the idea. Boom, 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 boom. Does Apex have the same rule? No, they have your minimum trading day on Apex has to be 150. 150. On the 50K. SW, am I trading one micro? Yes, for now.
We open. I never did it with baked goods. But you know your Uncle Mort? He pets the one-eyed snake 5-6 times a day. It's like practice for the big game. You see?
Mm-hmm.
And it's like banging a tennis ball against a brick wall, which can be fun. It can be fun, but it's not a game.
Right.
It's not a game.
No.
What you want is you want a partner to return the ball. Do you want a partner?
Yeah. I want a partner.
You do want a partner.
I want a partner.
You want a partner.
Of
Good.
course.
Good.
This movie is so funny. I know, I forgot about it, Sean. Usually hitting 125 a day. Yeah. 7 money back, true. It's 10 traded days, Dennis. Lucid accounts, do we need to hold positions for a few seconds? No. And my Fund of Futures doesn't have that rule either. It's an average, so you're fine if you it's fine if you're in a quick position, because as long as your average comes out to be, I think my Fund of Futures is just 5 ticks. Just at least needs to be 5 ticks. All right, tagged into the long here on gold. Let's see here. Well, come on, let's bounce it. We need a bounce. Retest the 04s for us. What up, Alexi? Joom has arrived. Joom, squeeze it. Squeeze it, Joom. Squeeze it, Joom. Squeeze it. Just give me the 4704. That's all I want. That's all I need. You're squeezing the lemon. That'll work too. Till the juice runs dry. Can we get a bounce? What do we get? Come on, give me the 4 here. We're up 5 ticks. You ever mention the market has no shame? You are not wrong. Oh my goodness, man. Have I used Trade Sinker? Yes, I have. Yeah, this issue in Ninja as well. Is it TPT 1 to 5 stop loss? So it's 50 ticks, take profit, 150 ticks, stop loss for the gold trade. I'm assuming you're asking, Chris. Come on, rip it out. Rip this up there. We're 3 ticks away here. 3 ticks away. Get me out. Come on. Just not going yet, guys. I think it will, though. Struggling to even get 1 point here. This is crazy. Goodness. Outrageous price action, yeah. I'm struggling to even get 1 point on freaking gold here. It's crazy. So dead. Notify the authorities. Get up there. 6 Billy, I don't know. People keep saying that, and I mean, I hear you. Makes sense, but then it just keeps going. It just keeps going, right? Go. Go. Dude, it literally was right there. It was right there, guys. So, dude, 1 point. Trying to get 1 point here is ridiculous. Come on, squeeze it. 2 ticks, man. 1 tick. 1 tick. Oh, finally. There we go. That's crazy. All right. Which platform is this? This is Quan Tower. Quan Tower. The next level down there is 94.6. I already have, I don't have one there. All right, got the next order down there at 94.6. All right, we need 2 more trades on gold. I forgot I was even in this NQ trade. Yeah, I am right now, John. I'm not using MG or GC for the 1 point because sometimes it doesn't hit it. But yeah, just going for the 1 point. Especially on these levels that are like super high, right? This level down here, I like a little bit more, but I really like this level here. My favorite level is actually all the way down there at the 64. I don't know that we get, or 74. I don't know that we get there, but I have no idea, Manny Matt. It would be nice because I sure would put Apex on gold. I sure would. All right, let me turn the copier off for this other account, 301. Right here, let me just take this copier off. I don't know, it'd be nice if they would do it. I don't know. I mean, like, I don't know why they haven't decided to yet. They probably will eventually, I would imagine. Maybe only open up to micros or something. I don't think that'd be a bad idea. Goes below half the tank on the trailing drawdown. The Durrell considers allowing metals again. What up, Jip Smith? Getting a little pullback. We were kind of lucky to get that 1 point there, it looks like. I mean, this hasn't failed yet. It's down like 1.5, but I don't know that I love it. This is Husk. This is Husk at home. That's what he does. I don't even know if y'all can even see that. Could y'all even see that? You might not even be able to see it. All right, I may have to add over here. We'll see. Pulling back to the 21 EMA. This thing's not moving at all. Such a slow night, guys. Even difficult to get 1 point. This is super boring, guys. This is not great price action. Gonna hold the O2. Squeezes back up. All right, pulling back. Come on. Let's get the squeeze. Oh my goodness. Come on. Could backdoor this level, but I'm not going to because we're moving so slow. Moving so slow, guys. Could maybe add here. Oh, don't want to sell. Could add on that EMA, the back push back above the 9 EMA. Oil's hanging out there about the 96s. Got 8 minutes until top of the hour. Let's see if this brings anything. Gonna need some sort of pullback here, otherwise we're just gonna be hanging out. We need this, guys. Bing. Or, I mean, I guess at this point I would just take this. Hold the 21 EMA over here, but not much going on. This is dreadfully slow. Hmm. Nightmare like last night? Yeah, for sure. At this point, you just don't know. I'll put my stop at the swing here if I get added, if I get the ad. I don't know. This movie's so funny, guys. It's stupid, but it's funny. I don't know if the top of the hour is going to bring anything, but we'll see. What up, Punisher? Yeah, it's definitely an oldie. Yeah, we definitely need the likes, guys. We got 38 likes, 91 viewers. Let's go. Those are rookie numbers. I could move this down a little bit. I could move this ad down a little. I'm thinking about it. This is pretty dreadful, guys. Not much to talk about. Not much to do. We're just hanging out. Hit the like button, subscribe, all the things. Yeah. Is it going to push back up here off that O2 level here? Gold. All right, guys, top of the hour here in about 20 seconds. We'll see if it does something. I don't know. This is dreadful. I don't know how long I'll stay on here. This is terrible, guys. Terrible. I'm trying to get, the thing is, like, we just created another swing here, but like, god dang, I don't know. We just created a new swing here. The back door would have hit. Man, this thing's going to come right back down and hit that level again. I'm not brave enough to take that level, though. Let me see which one this one is. $218. It's this one. No. Could move this other one up there. I'm not sure, though. Like watching paint dry. You ain't lying.
What happened to Oz out there? I don't want to ever see any of you thinking you're gonna score. You don't score until you score.
Till you score.
That's right, baby! And all boils down to today. For you seniors, this
That's one of my
marks
favorite
the
parts. Is like,
culmination.
you don't score until you score. And then the guy in the background's like, until you score. Top of the hour. We did hit the top of the hour already. Let me see. I don't know if I want to take that at 1.9 level. So high up. Pushing up, of course. Still wouldn't give 5 points yet. I feel like this 01.9 level is a level that like could lose. I don't know. New 5-minute candle here in a few seconds. Guess I'll take it. I'll take this. All right. Kind of creating a little idiot box here on gold. Tagged in. Ooh, good bounce. Come on, tag me out. Tag me out. It didn't. It didn't fill me on all of them. Come on. It only filled me on 2, guys. Get up there. It only filled me on 2. Come on. One more tick. One more tick, man. Give me one more tick. You gotta be kidding me. What the heck? Did I lose money on that somehow? What happened there? Eh. It's fine. It's kind of annoying. It would have filled me. Like, I don't know. I guess it would have filled me now. 1.9. It's weird. I got filled in a different spot there. $11 ticks. I don't know why that's different. Why is that different? I don't know. Either way, got some profit there. Not a ton, but we got $73 on one account. 54 and 54 and 54 on the other ones. Better than nothing, I guess. Better than nothing. Yeah, it didn't fill me on that bounce. For whatever reason, this is showing the 11 ticks at 3.0. But it didn't hit it over here on this one like that. No, it would have hit. It's a little weird. That's all right. We'll take it. All right. Which one are we? Something said order filled. What was that? I just heard something say order filled. What up, Dylan? TikTok live. Oh, I don't know that I can lock. I don't know if I can jump on there with you with this on. How would I do it, Dylan? I heard something say order filled. I don't see it. TikTok live through OBS. You're already live though, right, Dylan? Hold on one second. Let me see. I'm trying to figure something out, Dylan. Hold on 1 minute for me. 118. I think. Okay, so 118 is the other one. Why are they both on the same thing? Wait. Why is that showing? All right, I'm confused as to which copier. I'm confused as to which one has not taken the trade. One eight did take a trade. So which one did not take a trade? 301. No. Okay, 218. 218. All right. Dylan, can you drop a link in the chat so I can click on it? Trades in the house. Thank you, sir. Tokyo will cook. It might. Could get a little inverse here. Potential. I wasn't even paying attention on that pullback. Look at gold go there. Oh, goodness. I gotta get better at this. All right. New 15-minute candle there. I really kind of need to pay attention to this trade here. Need to find one more spot on gold. Gold's ripping now. If he gets above this swing here, it looks like it might go. I might. Still a ways up there to consider a short for me. What a miss, Kay. This is where Huss said he was going to short at. Wonder if he did. Do, 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 do. Yes, Dylan. I hear Dylan. I hear him. Let's see if this thing wants to push up a little more. Yeah, Dylan, I'm pretty sure I could probably just join in Discord. That's usually what we do. You can just pipe the audio in from Discord. That's what I usually do when I stream with someone. Isn't gold coming close to rollover? I don't think so. I think gold already rolled over like a few weeks ago, didn't it? I can't remember. I'll be honest. But I can't remember. The spread on GC is wider than MGC typically too. All right, let's see if that hit 5 points. Let me see. I think it did. That top one did not. This one did. So that bottom one did hit. Guys, we're just waiting here. It's not much to do. We're still in this long. Look for this thing to squeeze through the 500 on NQ. Still got a ways to go until the top of the hour. Has it for July 29th? That probably seems right. Sounds about right, Kenny. Nick, you're trying to get through the 90s here. Just unable to do it so far. New 5-minute candle coming up here right now. I mean, gold's trying to push up here, but very slow. Very slow. Trying to potentially creating a new swing here. Just not wanting to push up here, so difficult to know. We get back above 90 here, I think we can go. I don't see how this thing doesn't squeeze. Let's get NQ going. What up, Team Massive? Yeah. Mo, you're short. Go Dogs GFL. Am I short? No, I'm long. We'll see, Mo. I don't know. Were you short, Mo? Or long there? You were short, right? Oh, you were short. Got you. I mean, it might go down here. Mo, it's struggling to get above the high right now, so kind of hard to know. Hard to know. Maybe you're short past 27,500. All right, 15 seconds left here. Let's see if gold can pull back and retest kind of that 4,700 level here. That would be nice. Maybe come back down here, resweep this, make a new swing down this way. And then maybe we can look for an opportunity there. But so far it's not doing it. What up, Adam? New 30-minute candle here. What up, the Fitz? How you doing tonight? Was doing great, taking a beat in the last few days. Yeah. Try to pre-order tomorrow. Let's go. Yeah, I like it. I like the pre-order a lot with smaller spread, smaller, you know. Take a 10 micro trade and even with the fees be cheaper than a mini. Yeah, probably true. That's the reason why part of the reason why I'm trading the micros. Part of the reason there. $118. Oh, is that 218 or 118? It's 118. It's 218. Oh, okay. Where's 118 at? Oh, it's down there. How's it going? Going pretty good, Triple J. Just slow. It's very, very slow. Think they want 419 at some point. 419, maybe. Been in this trade for an hour now, still waiting on your 5 points. Yeah. John, that top one, I really would like be going for 1 point. You just watch a sloth cross the street. Think you double top-ish. It does kind of look that way. Did you not get 5 points yet off that top one? Let me see. I mean, it's close. Oh, 4.6. Dang. 4.6. 2.8 was your entry. Yeah. was going to say, I'd probably go break even here, John, but it looks like it just hit your target. I was going to say, it looked like it just hit it. Oh, you went breaking a couple bars ago. Yeah, it makes sense. I was going to say, like, you get the 4.5 points there. Like, you really want it to just go at that point. I don't use Bookmap, Rick, but I don't dislike Bookmap. I just don't use it. Happy kids, are you still long? First target there. Coming queue. What's gold going to do here? Just going to keep running, or is it going to pull back? You're still long from 700.2 1 micro. Just waiting here, guys. All right, guys, got about 20 minutes till the top of the hour here. About 20 minutes. All right, Nick and Q's back to 500 here. Long, BTC, Sol, Doge, Pepe, all the others to the moon. Maybe. I'd like gold to pull back and retest kind of that 4,700. Let's put in a ledge down there that we might could look for a little bit of a bounce on. But so far it's not really doing it. No, happy kids. What is your target, happy kids, to the upside there? $720. Oof. A little pullback here, 07.5 on gold. Been beaten down. Maybe this week you'll recover. Take profit. What's the 150K? All right, starting to get a little pullback here. 07s. It kind of like two ticked me up here on the NQ. Pretty dirty. Not one tick actually. All right, coming up on the 7:45 here in about a minute, guys. What up, Kid Poker? Yeah, I'm long. I'm long. Past 25K eval this morning. Have another one in the oven. Who do you have with Triple J? Like, is it what platform? Like, Tradeovate? What is it? TradingView. Yeah, I don't know who you could use to copy trade. Maybe TradeSyncer. I don't know who works with TradingView. I have no idea. Oh, next gen. Yeah. What up, P Long? Who? I don't even know who would you trade with, or what? I mean, maybe Trade Singer. I don't know who it could be. Yeah, no worries, Triple J. This is pretty boring right now. Trade of 8 with Trading View copy trade. Okay, Donald. I don't know that. I don't know that they Next Gen has trade of 8 though. I don't think they do. Could be wrong. Hmm. All right. Well, I guess we're gonna need a move down here at the short here to 482. I don't hate it. I probably should have taken that off or moved my stop or something. I just didn't. Honestly, wasn't paying it that much attention. You locked out all day? Yeah. Listen, that was the right move though, Biblical. As difficult as it is, that was the right move. This is just the one you're with. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that, Triple J. PA today was terrible. Yeah, it was pretty tough. I ended up green, but could have went either way there. All right, kind of coming into the macro here. 1 minute. All right, coming into the new 5-minute candle here. 10 minutes till top of the hour. Just waiting, guys. Not much to do here. All right, here we go. Maybe 8 o'clock we can get a pullback. We'll see. I don't know. Looks like you got a good short going on there, Biblical. Looks like you got a good short going. Woo! Not really creating any swings on the way up. Is gold going to rip back down to 4,700? I don't know. The 1 minute VI. There we go. Wouldn't touch gold until Asia. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. Volume imbalance on the 1 minute at 481. Gotcha. Gonna get a little scary at the top of the hour. New 5 minute candle here, 10 seconds. Hoping to take the short and then long. I'm okay with that. Max and I will bark for you guys. Oh my goodness. Let's go, Biblical. Nice job. Waiting for either one to get filled. All right, let's see if we can get the pullback here on the top of the hour. 43, you'll start long. That's right there at the 50 EMA as well. For sure, happy kids. All right, starting to get a little pullback here on gold. Poopy pants. The ledge going to get tagged right at, yeah, maybe. I don't know if I like this ledge though, John. This is not a great one, but I do see it, but it's not great. Let's see if the top of the hour can dump us back to like 4,700. Let's see. Wary of longs right now because of the opening. Makes sense, Biblical. Makes sense. The ledge fits basically is I got it marked out here on the 5-minute chart. So it's just swing highs and swing lows on the 5-minute. I'm using the bodies of the candles to buy. So you can see here, swing created on the 5-minute on gold. You buy on the retest, and off to the races you go. I have a video on it on my channel. If you just search Methodical Man Gold Strategy, it'll pop up. All right, guys, top of the hour coming up here, less than 10 seconds. Could be good, could be bad. Don't know. Gold kind of pulling back for a moment. Gold's ripping. And Q trying to pull back. Gold's going. You got 41. Nice. Got both. I'm going to take that off right there. Are we going to go to the 12.7? Now it could rip higher. Yeah, it could. That's okay if it does without me. I'm all right with it. See how this 5-minute candle closes? Yeah, NQ is definitely overbought, but it could still just go. Who knows? Oh, you know what? What did I just realized something. All right, pushing up there. Yeah, Kid Poker, it could come back down finally. I mean, we're pulling back here. I kind of got out of that long there. Oh, you get ready to short if you were working. What are you doing now, Kid Poker? For work. I think I remember what you were doing, but I don't know if you're still doing the same thing. That's what I thought, Kid Poker. I wasn't sure if you were still doing that or not. It's just going up, guys, going up. Well, I don't know if we're going to get too many more opportunities. We'll see. One PA survived, was $5 from blowing it. Dang. Nice. I saw it did finally come back down. Woke up at 5 and was up 250. Let's go. That's a pleasant surprise, right? I'm just waiting, guys. Trying to be patient. Need to get off this hamster wheel. Yeah. Trust me, I feel the same way sometimes. Nasdaq squeezing back up. It's ripping. Previous day high up there, 542 for Nasdaq. Yeah, 542. Looks like that's where it's headed to. Definitely relentless. Just throw the short button out the window. That's all. Yeah, you're probably right, Trev. Nothing wrong with that. Well, the thing is, Kid Poker, it can just go up without any news. I mean, that's the thing. Like, that's why I don't even pay attention to the news, because it's really is irrelevant. Because you can get bad news, the market could go up 500 points. You can get good news, the market could drop 350, 400 points. Like, it's just, it's so, it's so difficult to read. Like, the news really, unfortunately, just doesn't mean that much. But we'll see what happens here. We got still still got time for other opportunities. I killed you last night, Fritz. Yeah. Yeah, market structure. I mean, even that sometimes you can look at and you're like, man, this should go down, right? I mean, like even that doesn't make any sense sometimes. Like look how many gaps we've kind of left. Well, today we did fill the gap. I did short up here this afternoon. I had a short at, where was it at? Right here. 40.75, 41.75 up in here. I shorted and got like 15, 20 points. Pulled back off 30 points off the previous day high, or the previous day close there. One of my favorite trades. Was the only short that I think I took. I mean, I took a couple little bitty small shorts today. Maybe gold can pull back here, 706.7. We can get tagged in there. If you guys haven't already, hit the subscribe button. It's free. At 10,000 subscribers, we will do a pretty decent sized giveaway. If we can get there, we need 177. 177 more. Is that too much to ask? I don't know. One hour swing at the 500. Now we're starting to get a decent pullback at least. Just a 100-point flush. Not asking for much, just an 8-ball and $2 million or something like that. Hmm. I got the VWAP on gold at 47.12. Is that where you guys have it at? I don't know if that matters. Oh man, this is so slow, guys. But guys, we are red on a few accounts. Unfortunately, I took a long and it pulled back. I got spooked and took it off, and then it went up. So down 300 on some of the accounts there. We should be up on those accounts, but kind of unfortunate. I took the long this ledge here, and then on that top of the hour kind of pullback here, I just market exited here, and then as soon as I exited, it ripped. So, what up, Lost Penny? You donate bow marrow. I was out of commission for a little while. Nice. That sounds, I think that hurts, doesn't it? Lost Penny, I don't know. But now we're just doing the same old stuff. Same old, same old. So some red, some green. Unfortunately, I took a loss there. So yeah, we're just waiting here. Oh, got shorted in bank. Let's go. Switching to eval. I like it, Coach Fred. Oh, 06.7. I'm going to take the 06.7 ledge. I'm going to be looking for 5 points off that level, I think. What up, Option Man? $20 to Apex Arsenal. Let's go. Getting a pretty substantial pullback here. You got 5K out first. You blew your pro account. That sucks. Great job getting 5K out, though. Afsali, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. No, still holding up here at the 11. I don't mind this swing here. I mean, I guess, I mean, like, where's the low at from the open? It's like here. I mean, that's right at 50%. I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna do that one. You move to 25K a lot faster to pass. Yeah. Option, I like the 25K. I used to only trade the 25Ks. I like that 4706.7 level. I'm going to put a buy there looking for 5 points. Yeah. Actually, you know what? Do we just take 4? I don't know if we take 4. Let's. Time to raise the alt game. What up, MetaRisk? Raise the alt game. Get in there. Trying to decide if I want to just get back to break even, take 3 points, or go for 5 and really just go for some profit. Did 50K for a long time. No more. Micros win in the long run. For sure. For sure. $4 green. Let's go. All right, now this is going to create a higher ledge. Oh, man, I don't like the higher ledge. I don't like the higher one. If I take the higher one, I think it'll just be for the 1 point. Imagine being in a third world country and $100 a day makes your whole week. Nice. 469 to reset a pro funded. Yeah. I think it's a little less than that for the 25K though, right? I think. All right, guys, I might get tagged in down here at the 06.7. What up, Corey, the phone trader? What you up to? Poco in the house. Let me pull this other chart. What account are we on? 4218. Do I have orders down lower? Why does that say? Oh. All right, guys. We only have about 7 points of drawdown on these accounts. So this either's got to bounce immediately, basically, or not. Come on, get down there, tag me in. 419, 400, all the way down to the 450. That was a 1 hour sweep, but bearish. Oh, it's 469. Top step funded reset prices are worse. I haven't seen those. What up, Trading for Keeps? Oh, you gotta be effing kidding me, man. Come on, man. How you not gonna tag me in down there? That's the right level, right? 6.7? Yeah. Oh, come on. That's gonna be dirty. Gonna be rude. Gonna be rude. If I get tagged into this, guys, in an effort not to move my stop or manipulate this trade at all, I'm going to leave the desk. So I'm going to go MIA if I get tagged in on this. We're going to go MIA. Because I don't want to touch this trade. I like this level. I think this level makes sense. So tag me in and bounce. Do your thing. It did, happy kids. It did just miss me. But I'm still okay with it. All right, guys, I think I'm going to take a little walk. Let's get tagged in. And whatever happens, happens. You guys manage the trade for me. Go break even when you feel like we need to go break even. I'll be back. I mean, how on earth did I not get tagged in there? Oh my goodness. How on earth did I not get tagged in there? I can't chase the level. That's 50% of the range. It's got to hit. It's got to hit. It's got to hit it. It's gotta do it. Yeah, it's all right, Kid Poker. There'll be more opportunities. Placing 10 minis. Not 10 micros. It can tag me in so I can go take a walk. I went to the restroom right quick, fully expecting to hear order field in my ear. And yeah, I didn't hear it. That's why I came back and looked. I said, well, I guess I'm not in. Thing is, I know if I see like 3 or 4 points, if I see green on the P&L, I'll probably take it off. That's why I'm trying to walk away. I know if I see green, I'll take it off. Which is not the end of the world, but you know, it's not the rules. Feel it. Feel it. Just get me in. Get me in. And don't blow my accounts. Again, guys, I only got like 7 points of drawdown, so it very well could smoke some accounts here. I wish we had more, but we don't. Nah, I'm not trading YM Kid Poker. This is gold. I've never traded a YM. I don't even pay attention to it. I mean, thing is, you know, if I mark it in, this thing's just going to rip lower. As soon as I enter, it'll just move lower. It's 9 ticks away from getting me in. You've been trading a lot of YM lately? Nice. Oh, you know what? Should I have had my order up here? No, I don't think so. I mean, I guess you could have. All right, I'm in. Putting it in. Walking away. I'll be back. All right, back to the entry here. What I think about ES? Let me see. Where BES at? Let's see here. How can I not get ES to move? What's going on? I don't know. ES, as long as ES holds kind of like 72.13 here, it looks like it's going to continue higher. ES is broken. Could be. Would have got me in a couple of, maybe a point lower here. I showed a little more patience there. I took my pro account off right there, guys. Down $45, I think, on the pro. Can we bounce? Can we go? Got a little bounce going here, but kind of slow go here. Would have already gotten the 1 point. Yeah, maybe I should have. I could have tried to backdoor this level for a point or two. Said I was going to go for a walk, and I'm sitting here watching it. Stupid, because the trade that I took earlier would have been a winner. Like, I completely screwed up tonight. I should be all green everywhere. I'm down two. I'm going to be ended up down like 240 on a few accounts, 170, 140, down 45 on another. Just mismanaged things. That's all. I mean, I don't know. I feel like I do that like one night a week where I take trades that don't make sense. That don't follow the rules. Not this trade. This trade makes complete sense. All right, I'm going to close this here at the 175 area. I don't know why it's keeping orders on there. I mean, they are yellow. And what I'm thinking here is if it pulls back on us, I might just re-enter here. Because it didn't go 5 points yet. So kind of lock in some points there. And then if it pulls back, we can go for another point. Let's see. New 5-minute candle right now. Might not come back and get us. Inside buy. Upward on NQ. I don't know, man. I feel like probably we got some downside action, but I don't really know. Like, it's one of those things on NQ where it's a little tricky. I think we need to go down, maybe retest the 400s-ish level. Why did I take that off, man? This is such a good level. It's 50% of the overnight range so far. Such a good level. I don't know why I took that off. I'm going to try to get one more point here. It might be a little, this might be borderline insanity. Here's what keeps happening. You're short NQ and then it creeps up. Yeah. You're not wrong. Let's try to get some of these accounts sub $100 in the red. I'll feel okay about that if we can do that. We are kind of at a time in the night where, you know, things could go wrong. We'll see. I do like this level, though. Feels like it froze. Did Ninja freeze? Is that not moving? Yeah, these are 2 different levels. Did my internet freeze? What's going on? You walked your dog and covered in ticks? Dang. What is going on here? Why is this not moving? What account is this? 218. I got Tradeovate pulled up, so. Did that really come that close to tagging me in and not doing it? Rude. I was 5 ticks away from tagging me in on that push down a minute ago. Raul, because I was going to take a walk. I just didn't turn the camera back on. For some reason, Ninja's frozen. I don't know what's going on with it. Refresh. I'd be shy. That's right. Think you should size up a bit and take 5 points. Yeah, I would not recommend sizing up. Don't size up. This is annoying. Why is this frozen? Well, no real point in watching that. It's frozen. This one's frozen too, though. Anybody else's gold chart frozen? Oh, this one's not frozen. All right, coming to the macro here. Get a little pullback. See if you can tag us in this time. Don't want to get too impatient with it here. Right click, refresh history. Okay. I thought I didn't see it. I did right click, but I didn't see it. Of course, I did just reload historic data. My best friend started streaming again. Yeah. All my besties are out. All my besties. Still not moving. Tech T in the house. What up? Danny Trades was streaming earlier. Was he? Danny Trades. Which sim account was he using this time? Yeah, got him. All right, I don't know why it didn't. Why did it do that? 7.5, so 8.6. All right, I'm in here, guys. Sorry you guys can't see it, but I am in. I'm gonna rip it up. No, come on. Bounce it up. Come on, man. I want my 12 ticks. Get it up there. Get it up there. Come on, give it to me. She's being rude to me, guys. Being rude to me. Oh, is that why I'm in? Guys, I'm not even in on the other accounts. This is a single account. I just noticed that. All right, I'm not even in on the right account, guys. Somehow I'm 218 supposed to be in on. Stupid. Not even on the right account. Dumb. Oh goodness. Somehow I lost $4 on that trade. $4. Trading is no fun. Yeah, for sure. 100K winning trades? Yeah, one of those. He gave his whole life story. Reform school, violence, alcohol, not pretty. Oh. Oh. Got it all in there, huh? Got it all in there. I don't know if it moved that or not. I'm not sure. Yeah, Danny's still around, I assume. It's so funny because like I used to watch him trade and I would kind of scratch my head because I didn't really understand how he was like getting in and getting out, but it seemed to have worked for him. I mean, he made that 100K or whatever with Top Step. And then I guess the other, or whatever it was. And the other stuff might have been photoshopped. Might have been into the Photoshop. The shop de photo. I was wondering why that didn't show any. I was like looking over. I'm like, what's going on here? My P&L's not moving. Very dangerous for me to enter a trade here right at 9 o'clock. It's extremely dangerous, actually. I probably should not do it. But hey, we like living on the edge. Let's live on the edge a little. Or something. I don't know. Let me try disconnecting this connection. And seeing if maybe that works. Although, if I disconnect it and it doesn't reconnect in time. All right, reconnected. Price still not moving, though. Oddly enough. I wonder if that will, What up, Tim? Oh, arrows. Yeah, yeah. All right, 1 minute till the top of the hour here. All right, got top of the hour coming up here. I don't know, about a minute. Just got tagged in here. Let's see if this thing can rip back up. Might be in trouble here on this one. Might be in trouble. I'll probably move the stop pretty quickly here if it gets back in the green, if we get back in the green. I want to see it just go. You heard some Aerosmith? No Aerosmith tonight. Sometimes. All right, come on, rip it up. You can do it. Right through the 09s. Susan Hagen, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Come on, go. I need to get through the 09s here. Oh. That's not good, guys. Not good. Not good. All right, we're about to smoke these accounts, looks like. Unless we can get a lucky squeeze going here. May as well go for more here. Rosenfeldt, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription, you demand. It can never just go the way that I want it to go when I want it to go. Death to us, guys. Yep. I'll be shocked if those accounts didn't blow there. Come on, rip it up. You took that what we wanted. Let's get it up there. You swept down, you grab some liquidity. Now let's squeeze it. Not going to do it, guys. We only have like 7 something in drawdown. Although, are we even in? I don't even know if I'm in on this. Might only be in on the 50K, guys. Let me check something. Is this only in on the 50K? Yeah, it's not in on any of these. Let me, how do I, what can I, oh, I didn't mean to do that because I just closed out this trade. No, it wasn't on the other ones too. God dang it. All right. Well, the P&Ls weren't moving, and so I wasn't sure. But as soon as I hit exit, it was in on those. So we're down 700 here. I think I only have like $100 in drawdown on those accounts. So I don't know if what I want to do there. Mm-hmm. Let me take that one account off here. Okay. We can kind of turn this candle green here. I kind of feel like we might can squeeze. We'll see. It's probably going to blow the funded next accounts, unfortunately. Those are the ones I really didn't want to blow because I was up 500 and something on those, but it's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Would have probably DCA'd on this single account had I didn't really mean to close all those out. There was no way for me to get out of it though without hitting exit there. Don't know if I want to just go for the 1 point here. Or maybe just go stop to break even, see if it can squeeze. Bounced off to 4,700 down there. See if we can't chip away at it like one at a time here. If these accounts blow, I'll leave this one in and we'll look for a little more. So at like 1 point, I'll move the stop in. Just to give us an opportunity. I don't know. I think they blew. Yep, 4 of them. Japan's going to either raise interest or possibly keep the same between 7:30 and 9:30 Pacific. All right, those blew. Well, I guess I should have just went long. Thing is, we kind of broke this trend line, so now I expect it not to stop. EQ could drop. Yeah. Well, at least it was only the evals that blew. I guess a win is a win there. think MNQ and the rest of the market's going to collapse. S-dubs, I don't know, man. I think gap fill makes sense. 418. I'm not so sure about the other stuff. But if they raise rates, I mean, that's the thing, man. This is what I talk about all the time. I don't think it matters. You know what I mean? Like, it's just one of those things where, like, you can't, I can't use economic news to determine whether the market's going to go up or go down because we don't know how the market's going to react. You have no clue. I mean, it could spike down and then rip right back up. Like, you don't know. I mean, I'm telling you, it just happens all the time. If it was that easy, everybody'd be rich. I promise you. It's just not. So, last month you went back to ES, 1 min equals 5 MEQ. Yeah. I'm just saying it's unknown. That's all I'm saying. S-dub. We don't know. This is going to annoy me if I cancel this because I just noticed we created a ledge here and we pulled back and tested it. I wasn't even paying attention to that. And I ate the loss and then it pulled back. There you go. Look at that. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, it could be. Could be. I was trading the 25K funded next. I don't even know what they are. I don't even know what they are. Fed's meeting on Wednesday. Yeah. John, you didn't miss much. Just me blowing some accounts. I held a trade through 8. Well, I actually got tagged in at 9 p.m., which was stupid. And then just thinking it might go in my way on gold, John. I just held it through 8 o'clock. No, I'm not supposed to. Did it anyway. Did it anyway. I don't know. I still feel like this thing's just going to go down. Gold, I feel like it's... It didn't run it, did it? No. I think it should go to at least a 96, but... Yeah, I think it's Legacy, whatever the cheaper one was. Bearish continuation for gold at the moment. Yeah, I think it's going to go down too. Mm-hmm. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We do appreciate it. Big out move up for gold and then continue down. Maybe S-dub. Does seem like it wants to move down. It feels that way. Gold loves the V-shape back up, though. It really does. It loves it. 5-minute inside buy. Gold holding up there at that 4,700 psych level. Fund Index has no rhythmic quant tower. Yeah, I'm using Trade-Evade Tech T. Trade-Evade. Hourly swings during New York. There seems to be one pretty regularly at 11, 12, and 1. That's interesting. Yeah, I need to look more at those. I wanted to test them a little more. Well, let's see if gold's going to push down or not. Doesn't quite. I mean, it's trying, but it's not doing it. She's giving it a go, but not quite giving it a go enough. Tried to put in a lower low there, couldn't quite do it. Got 3 minutes left on this candle. Really going to depend on how this kind of closes. We'll see. I'm over here kind of degening on gold, not really what I should be doing. On this 150K account, it's just an eval, but I was up 6 grand on it. And right now we're down about 2K on it. After my degeneracy that's not working. So. Yeah, the sad thing is, John, if I played that correctly, I took a stupid trade. I don't know what. I don't know why. I took a stupid trade, so I was down $300. That trade I should have never been in. It was against went against everything that I'm supposed to be doing. And so the next trade, I tried to get 5 points to get back to break even, right? It went 3. And then I re-entered and it went 1. And then I re-entered again on a ledge that it created at 9 o'clock, which was stupid. So it's just like dumb, 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 dumb. Just like, so while I should be sitting here up, done for the night, instead I'm in full degen mode and blew 5 accounts on evals. And yeah. So, yeah, just dumb. I probably should walk away right now, to be honest, and just call it a night, come back tomorrow and start again. That's what we should do. And we might do that momentarily. We'll see. This kind of looks like it's going to squeeze here. Kind of looks that way, but let's see. We get just a little push down here. All right. Nothing really to do right now. Yeah. You're looking at YM on the daily chart. Looks like 5 to 6 days of sideways chop. So here it is right here, down 1,400 on this account. I mean, that's, you know, like I said, I was down 2,000. We just did a little port action. Down 49 on, lucky on this one. Down only 49 on that one, and then these are the 5 that blew. And yeah, I don't think they would have survived anyway. Let's see if they would have had more drawdown. Would they have survived? They actually would have survived if they had more drawdown. Because here's the ledge that I took. And it only went down 8 points. So they'd still be in play here had they had more drawdown. So yeah. Stupidity, guys. That is stupidity. So now I'm going to have to reset these or rebuy these. There's going to be another $300. And now I got more work to do down here. Now, this one, you know, we only need 3,500 to pass, 3,700, whatever it is. Not the end of the world on that. I do only have another week or so to get that one done. Good news is on that one, we can, you know, we can make some things happen there. It'll be fine. But I am a little bummed about the funded next accounts because I was up $500 across all 5. So really like a third of the way to pass. Should have been a green night. I just did stupid stuff. Stupid stuff. And when you do stupid stuff, you win stupid prizes. So there you go. You're like, Methodical, you couldn't be degenning that much. All right, let me show you. Look at these executions. Short. No, wait. Long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short. You know, just over and over and over. So, yeah. Long, short, long, short. That's how she goes. Bad night, guys. And it has nothing to do with price action. I mean, gold's been fine tonight. It's been fine. The ledges have paid. They've been fine. It's just me. It's me. Is it like eating Parmesan cheese by itself? I know someone who would do that. Yeah, hold my beer. So yeah. Oh man, that hurts. That's all right. At least we kept the funded account safe. You know, that one safe at least. So we'll see. Yeah, John, I think I'm going to call it here too. Appreciate you guys. If you haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you want to help support the channel, guys, code MYTH, M-Y-T-H, is going to get you 90% off at Apex. Code MM at every other prop firm. Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, My Funded Futures, Tradeify, Bulanox. I don't want to shortchange anybody, so let's get all the names out there. Funded Futures Network, Lucid, Traders Launch, all of them. Trade Day, Take Profit Trader. I think I said those. Yeah. Use code MM on them if you want to support the channel. Silent Shefflet. My normal strategy during New York is going to be an inversion strategy. So I like to see, you know, you like to see some sort of sell-off, and then I just like to see a bullish gap get wrecked. And that's what I use during New York. But in Asia, or this time of night, I just kind of use support and resistance, trend lines. And then over here on gold, I use the 5-minute swings that I mark out. And I'm just looking for a bounce off the swings. That's it. Nothing crazy. So, all right, let me see here. I'm going to try to get a little bounce here on gold. Hold on one second. Let's see if we can get it. Can we get a 1-point bounce on gold? Let's get a 1-point bounce off this level on gold here. Give it to me. Come on. You wanna? We need like 03.7. Squeeze it. That is not the squeeze, bro. I said squeeze. I said squeeze. It's not going. Well, it's going, but not up. Doing all right this year. Doing okay. Not the greatest, not the worst. Could be better, could be worse. Can't complain. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it for me. If you haven't already hit the like button, subscribe. We'll be back tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. I do appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.